In this video, I'm going to be giving you my detailed instructions on how to clean your boat's carpet. I've been detailing boats for over 20 years. I've got it down to a science. There's a couple little tips and tricks I'm going to give you. We have a 16.5 foot boat today that we're going to detail. And I'm going to take the camera, I'll show you around the carpet, a lot of bad, dirty spots. And then at the end, we'll take a look at the same spots and see how clean we are. The first step, obviously, is to remove everything you can out of the interior. Remove as many seats, poles, anything that's not screwed down, just so that's all out of your way. And then the second step, I usually take a leaf blower and blow out the entire boat, front to back. If you don't have a leaf blower, you can use compressed air or something just to get rid of the large kind of debris. So we'll take a look around, I'll show you what the carpet looks like. I'll grab the leaf blower, get that all done, and then we'll go on to the next step. Alright, so here's what the carpet looks like. This boat is about 18 years old. I don't think it's ever been cleaned. It's not real bad, but it's not real good. I have seen worse. Lots of staining just about everywhere. There's really not a good clean spot on this thing anywhere, but that's why we're going to detail it. Alright, so as I said before, fire up the leaf blower, blow this thing all out. Alright, so after you've got the entire boat blown out with either a leaf blower or compressed air, I just get a regular shop vac, and I like to use this crevice tool, and I'll go over the whole boat front to back, vacuuming the boat with the crevice tool, every little nook and cranny. And as I'm going along, once you vacuum out an area, use some type of spot treatment to spray on your stains. So that way when you get done vacuuming the boat, whether you start from front to back, the spot treatment has already sat on those stained areas for 10-15 minutes, and then you're going to be able to go on to the next step. So it's just a lot easier that as you're vacuuming, you see a spot, spray it down with some spot treatment, move along to the next area, and kind of go along. It's better to do it that way than it is to vacuum the whole boat, then come back over to do a spot treatment. Now, I tend to use not really whatever's cheapest, but a lot of the carpet cleaner spot treatments pretty much work about the same as far as when you're dealing with boat carpet. The best one I've ever used is called Crud Cutter. It's kind of hard to find. Usually it's easiest to find on Amazon, but a lot of stores don't carry it. But you can just go to a store, Home Depot, Menards, your grocery store, and get some type of spot treatment like this, that you could soak down the stained areas as you vacuum along the boat. Alright, once you got the boat all vacuumed out, you got your spot treatment on, you're going to want to get a steam cleaner like this with a hand attachment like this. Now, there's a couple ways you can get these really cheap. One, if you already have one that's older, just designate that one for car, boat use, garage use, and go buy a new one for your home. Don't take the one out of your house to use out in the boat. I would not do that for two reasons. One, the wife or the husband's probably going to get mad because you did it. And two, you don't want anything that came out of this boat to transfer into the carpet of your home. So if you have an old one in the house, designate to the garage and cars and boat, go buy a new one. Or two, the most easiest way is go to like Craigslist or Facebook Marketplace, and you can find these for like 75 bucks for a used one, and you just use that for your garage use. Or you could use these for cars, boats, whatever you want to. Just I wouldn't use it cross between the house and your boat car use. Now, the other thing that I've learned over the years is you want to put in as hot of tap water as you can into your soap reservoir. Good hot water cleans a lot better than the cold. And as far as cleaner goes, I'm just using this one right here. It's a decent product. It's not the best, it's not the worst, but it's only like $10 a gallon. Like I said earlier, if you can find Crud Cutter for carpet, that is the best one I've ever used. I need to get on Amazon here shortly and order some of that. So it's all cleaned out as far as debris goes. So we're going to go along front to back, back to front, however you want to do it, and steam clean the carpet. Now, while I'm doing it, as I go over spots that don't get totally clean, I'm going to have my spot cleaner right there with me. So if I start in this corner and it's not getting totally clean, I still keep working the boat all the way to the front. But as I go over a spot that doesn't quite get as clean as I want it, I'm going to hit it again with the spot treatment and then come back over it again in the end. So we're ready to do some steam cleaning, so let's get started. Alright, once you've gone over the entire boat with your steam cleaner, you've got everything pretty much as clean as that machine is going to get it. I'll go around and look for spots that are dark or still just a hair dirty. Spray them down with your spot cleaner, and then take a brush, something like this, a good stiff brush, and then scrub over that area. And I go over the entire boat, doing that front to back, however you want to do it. Soak it good with your spot cleaner, scrub it real good, and then just keep working your way to the other end of the boat. And then I go back over those spots with the steam cleaner. Once you've gone over the boat the final time with the spot treatment and the scrub brush and your steam cleaner, you're all done. So let's take a look and see how this carpet turned out. As you can see, it turned out fairly well. One nice thing about steam cleaning, it does raise the carpet back up so it's not so matted. And in closing, guys, congratulations on cleaning up your boat. You have just added about $500 worth of value to it. Whether you trade it in or whether you're going to sell it, a good clean boat carpet means a lot. It looks like it's been used less, looks like it's been taken care of, and about 2 hours of your labor, you just earned about $250 an hour worth of trade-in value or sellable value to your boat. Hopefully this video was helpful to you, and I thank you for watching.